Hi, this is Emily with mysquarefootgarden.net, and today I'm going to show you how to build tomato cages. The first stage, I had a big huge roll of remesh and I cut it so it's 5 feet by 5 feet. So now I have these ends poking out. What I used were these bolt cutters. They're a small size, but they are just fine for this task. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull this together and then bend the side that's sticking out around. Okay, you can pause it now. Okay, now I've got all my ends twisted around, and what I'm going to do is bend it down and twist it that way so that these don't poke out so much. So I'm going to go down and twist. And I like to use gloves both because these ends kind of hurt if they catch your hands and because it's a little bit dirty. Okay. So there we go. All my ends are down and twisted. Now you can see the cage isn't quite flat. I don't know if you can tell. I'm just going to stick it on the ground and push it to make it a circle. The next thing I do is take my bolt cutters and I'm going to cut off the bottom. I step on it with my foot and just trim. Now here's my cage, and I've got 6 inches to stick in the ground. Now what I found in my gardens is 6 inches isn't enough to get it very secure, because I have more like 12 or in some cases more inches of dirt. So then I'm going to go ahead and trim off one more row of this. I will mention that there's a reason why I'm doing this on my patio. You get all these little pieces of metal. You don't want to do this on your lawn, because then you end up running over this with your lawnmower. So at least this way it's a pretty easy cleanup for me. I take it to my garden, kind of pay attention to where my irrigation is, where I want it to be, that I don't pin it in the wrong spot. Put my tomato in the middle, and then I shove it down. But I want to get it at least so this ring is level with the ground. That's the tomato cage.